Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how to do Phonon calculation using CASTEP module and how to set up its parameters. In the next tutorial I will tell you how to do troubleshooting of some basic errors. Let's get started with this video. Go to files, import. I previously have a graphene structure, so I will be importing that. Here is graphene CF file, maximize it. This is the graphene structure. First go to display style, ball and stick. Okay, this is the graphene structure. Now select all the atoms and bring it to the center of our crystal and make sure every atom is inside this crystal. This is the very important thing. After that, go to CASTEP calculation. It is very important to do geometry optimization first and then Phonon calculation. So I will choose express setting for this tutorial. You can check its graphene, so you can check as metal. Go to more. These are all basic settings. Here you choose second option BFGS. Go to electronic. All this is okay. Go to more. Use custom energy cutoff 500. SCF. Use 500 cycles. Charge for graphene is 0.2 is the best value. And then go to K points. As I'm choosing express settings, so I'm going to do it 111. And this is very important. Choose norm conserving here, pseudopotential. Click band structure, density of states, and then phonons. There are two options, dispersion and US. You can choose both as well. Linear response is for small unit cells and periodic structure, and finite displacement is for big supercells. So I will choose linear response. These parameters are okay. Now here is the important thing, choose path. So we have to do a brilliant zone path, create path. So there you can see this is a rectangular path, but our graphene is a sheet, so we need to do this. We don't need this rectangular path that is going out of the plane, so we'll be choosing this rectangular path. Let me show you. From G to F and then F to B and B to G. This is the path we will be using. So it's like that. So this is the triangular path. Delete the last segment. So this is our triangular brilliant zone path. This is very important to choose a accurate path, otherwise you will get a lot of errors. Close this one and also check these properties as well. With Phonon calculation you have to choose all three. Go to job control. I will choose 8 codes. More, update graph every second, and then click run. Click no. Now here is the troubleshoot. We checked LOTO splitting, that is not useful for metals. So we will uncheck the metal segment and then click run. Click no, and here it is started. So the energy first the geometry optimization and then the Phonon calculation. So you can see the geometry optimization is already converged. Go to status. Now you can see the band structure is running. The DUS calculations are now, so these are Phonon calculations are now running. There are 14 wave vectors that should be completed, so it will take a lot of time. It is completed now. Now let's analyze the result. Open up the structure, go to CASTEP and analysis. Here, band structure. See, this is the band structure of graphene, and this also have a very short band gap as well. This is the density of states, simple density of states. Now you can go down and choose Phonon DOS for Phonon dispersion, first Phonon dispersion. Now, as you can see, there are no negative values, so this structure is perfectly stable. Go to Phonon DOS, and these are the Phonon DOS values as well, so there is no negative values so on the x-axis. So this is perfectly stable structure. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and share with your friends. In next video, I will tell you what are some basic and common error during phonon calculation and how to troubleshoot them. Thank you.